Hello my girlfriend, Gladys here, and I'm so excited for these other videos. Sneak peek. We are still on our sneak peeks, and today we are going to see about GrooveMail, right? GrooveMail. Let me tell you, you're going to see, I'm going to be telling you that I've never created a list like seriously, right? I had a list when I created my website with a social engine. I had a list of about 500 people, but actually when I let everything go, because of getting hacked all the time, I'll just let the list go. I never knew that I could keep it for another day. So anyway, with GrooveFunnels, I'm going to start again creating a list. And actually right now I have some few leads, and those I've started creating my list, and I'm so excited about GrooveMail because I've learned that the list is the money. The money is in the list, and you have to have qualified leads, and you make good money when you have a good list. So that's what I'm going to be creating right now, and I want to be good at this so that I can teach more people to have a list, because I've seen people say that your money is in your list, and now I can testify. I can remember those 500 contacts that I let go like that. If I had them right now, I'll be very happy, right? Yeah, so let me turn the screen so that we can have a little sneak peek on the GrooveMail. Yeah, so today we are going to see about GrooveMail. So when you think about GrooveMail, I've already used MailChimp, and I tried ConvertKit, right? So here they're showing the example with ActiveCampaign, which is 2,748 per year. Oh my, oh my. Oh my. Hey, I tried ConvertKit for some time. It was like $15 per month for an amount of emails. But since I didn't have the list, I didn't continue with it because there was also a learning curve, and then I saw people saying that it wasn't good to work with ConvertKit if you're doing affiliate marketing and something like that. So I left ConvertKit because I saw people discouraging me to do with ConvertKit. And actually, that's the time I got somebody recommend me to join Kartra, because Kartra had mail. There was Kartra mail. And then somebody else told me to try MailChimp. So I tried MailChimp. MailChimp, they have a free version that I started with, and that's a cool. MailChimp, it's cool. You can start it for free. And it's a lot of, they're like 1,000 mails for the free version, but MailChimp, you can start with it for free. But once you surpass that number, then you have to start paying. So here we see they are comparing it with ActiveCampaign, which is 2,748. Can you imagine? It surpasses the Groove lifetime access of 1,397 lifetime access. Lifetime access. And you have all these things. Remember that all these apps, all these apps, they end up to around 17,506 per year. And it can be more depending on the version of Samcat that you chose, or the membership of the ClickFunnels that you chose. So because they have the 297 one and they have the 97 one, so it depends. It depends with all these which one you choose, and then you calculate all that, and you're like, wow, you're saving 16,109 per year. Hey, I'm telling you, if you have time, if you have money, try this one. Try this one. And actually, if you don't have the 1,397 immediately, like in cash, don't worry, because you can pay in 4 times. You can pay in 4 times or 6 times, right? But if you join it before you get it before 18th of October 2020, you can pay in 4 times or 6 times if they've not removed that. But I know I took the one to pay for 3 times, but they removed the one for 3 times. So now it's 4 times and 6 times, I believe. So hurry up before it goes up, right? So today let's check about GrooveMail. I've not yet started making a GrooveMail. Let's go. I've not yet started, because as you see, as I'm showing you, I'm starting out, and I want to show you guys as I'm beginning, the beginning of the beginnings, right? So so that when I have results, I'm going to be showing you. slowly by slowly. So you come here, so here we are in home. So the dashboard, I believe this is the dashboard. So you see I don't have a list yet, right? So I have no campaigns. So the leads here, you can create lists. I guess I started creating lists. You see, I started creating lists, but I've not yet started like sending traffic, right? But I have the lists which are ready, right? So creating a list, you just come here. Here I've created make money with money. Like if I want to create a new list called entrepreneur evolve, the description, the journey of an entrepreneur requires perseverance, you know. So I know, so this here is business development that you are going to be talking about, and also an event, right? Because I'm preparing an event for Entrepreneur Evolve, and I guess this is going to be my podcast or video podcast for that matter. So I create lists, and you see it comes here, right? So actions, if I want to edit it or if I want to delete it, I delete it, right? So I'm going to leave there because I guess I'm going to be using it. So that's how we create the leads. So here, if I start sending traffic, this is where I'm going to see leads who are interested in my programs or my stuff. So new tag, so I created a new tag. You see, I've started doing stuff, you see. It's still in beta, I've started. So here you come, you edit or you delete. So let's say edit. And if I want to add a new tag, I come here and then put a tag, like let's say entrepreneur evolve. So everyone who joins with entrepreneur evolve, they come here, right? So let's say business development. Okay, so category, you see I have all these categories that I've created. You're going to see them, you're going to see the category side. So business development, it's on the occupational dimension where we are talking about professional, money and everything. It's occupational dimension. Careers, it's here. So I come, I put category, and I can put it in others. So like in abundance, I can put there, and yeah, so I can leave it there. Entrepreneur evolve, and also I can add it to limited, because even the limited level, they have the occupational dimension. Okay, so I just leave it like that. So it's okay. So I've added the and then create tag. Or if I want to add another category, these are the categories. So if I want to add another category, I click here and I create another category, right? So create tag, and you see I've created a tag for Entrepreneur Evolve. Okay, so segments, I don't think I've created segments already. So it's either edit, delete, or subscribe. So if I want to subscribe to that subscription, so I have to come in and see about all these. Yeah, so those who subscribe to list and everything. So all these have not yet come to see. So like, let's go back to segments and see if I click edit. Update segment. Okay, so segment, it's easy to create a segment. Where did I create the segment from? I can't remember. It's here included. Well, I don't know where I added the segment from. I'm telling you, it's all about learning. And so if I want to start creating campaigns and broadcasts, the way I want to be sending people emails, it's here. So you see I've started one, Grow Smile Coaching Beta Launch. So you see it's in draft because I've not yet started sending traffic, you see. And then also sequences, I have to create the sequences and all that, right? So all that I'm going to be making videos later. So about the forms is here, you come and create a form. I've started to create a form. So you see, I'm still doing some stuff. You see, custom fields, I've not done something like that yet. So analytics, you come here, you'll get my lists, broadcasts, you get the broadcasts that I have and the sequences that I will create, right? But for now, I've not created any. So the settings, you come to settings and you see all this. This is where I'm going to try and write down, you know, if I send somebody an email and they don't want to be subscribed anymore. So this is where I have to put all that stuff, so that when I send somebody an email, they can get that unsubscribe button, you see, or text, and they can unsubscribe or subscribe back, right? Yeah, so that's all about GrooveMail. I'll be showing you more about it because I understand today that your list, your email list, it's your money. So if you're not building a list, you're missing out, like I've missed out for the last about 6 years, and let's say 8 years, because the list that I had for about 500 members when I was using Social Engine, when I had the Great Smile community, I had a list of around 500 people, 470 something, and I just let that list go. But I didn't know that a list is your money. Like now when I'm restarting my business, I will be having still that list and send my stuff to those people, and maybe some of them will be buying. So your list is your money, so don't throw away your list. And now I understand that, and that's why I'm so excited about GrooveMail, because I'm going to start building an email list, right? So this is one of the reasons that you have to get started and to take this lifetime access, because they are still going to continue updating the GrooveMail. So in the coming months, you're going to see more about this, right? And I'm going to be sharing with you my results, right? So that's it, and I hope that you're going to be one of the people that I send emails to. So yeah, so see you on another video. So have you seen what's up with GrooveMail? A lot to come, a lot to come, a lot to come, and people have started getting results with GrooveMail, and there's a lot to come. So I hope you jump in right now, get your free version of the software on www.groovefriend.com or entrepreneurevolve.com, and I'm going to be bringing more videos of the progress I'm making, and I can't wait to see your progress also, and I can't wait to see you jump on this software right now before the 18th of October, right? So see you on another sneak peek video.